Previously in our last episode.
Hello, Tony.
And just ahead.
Happy Galentine's Day.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats. G here from OG Creations.
It's Valentine's Day.
So that means love could be in the air. You either
Love Valentine's Day?
or
I hate Valentine's Day!
Hey, I hate Valentine's Day too!
Personally, I love Valentine's Day. Doesn't hurt that my mother would open a Valentine's Day pop-up shop, and I could send flowers and balloons to whomever I chose. There is nothing wrong sending a special someone a special little gift on a special day. However, if you think that that is the only day that you have to show appreciation for your special someone, and you think gas station roses or that 6-inch teddy bear left at Bartell's is gonna cut it, you're dead wrong. Here's a Valentine's Day tip from me to you. Planning and effort is needed on your part if you think we're gonna go down on your part. So this year, I wanted to focus on all of those that celebrate
Happy Galentine's Day.
and who is one of the most idealistic gal pals that any gay man would love to have in their friend circle. I made a Maleficent apron a couple of Halloweens ago, and I loved the way that turned out. I think I'm going to use the exact same colors, but this time I'll apply that to a reversed dyed tee.
Fascinating.
No matter how you are spending your Valentine's Day this year, single, coupled, throupled, or proud gaping hole, I love you for spending time with me with each new video drop.
Drop it.
Before we get too gushy, I'm talking to you, proud gaping hole. Let's get started. I'm starting with a black 100% cotton Hanes tee. I place where I want my heart pattern to be and fold the material in half. I use a white fabric pencil to outline it. Making small pleats, I gather the material. I'm now trying to create a straight line using that white outline. I secured this with a rubber band. Well, 2 rubber bands. For the rest of the shirt, I'm going to use the Geode technique. I gather the material in wadded up small sections and secure it with a waxed thread known as sinew. I move down an inch or so and gather more material and secure that with the sinew. I repeat this over and over again for about an hour. I apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and allow that to process for 20 minutes. It is then transferred to soak in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution for another 20 minutes. I then rinse it in cold water for about 10 minutes. It is then soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes before it's set aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. I apply liquid dyes in the shades of Chartreuse, New Emerald Green, Grape, and Deep Purple. After resting for about 2 to 3 hours, I flip them over and apply more dyes. I then set this all aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It's then rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Wow, I am so excited with how this turned out. These colors are so vibrant. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone, plus it does help with this algorithm for new viewers to find my channel, and that's the whole point of me wasting so many hours working on these videos. So please comment away. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Happy Valentine's!
Is Cupid loaded?